Good day, Doctor. I am Isongting from Group 36. Today, we would like to present our group report. The theme of this report is an innovative solution for community application. Besides that, the group that we are focused on is elderly people. In this presentation, there are 6 parts which are introduction, literature review, methodology, result, discussion, as well as conclusion. Let us start with the introduction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. I'm Syafiq Iqmal bin Syamsuddin. So today I'm going to present about the introduction of our project. The background of our project is that we want to construct a fitness bar that is exclusively for older people. There are a few types of bar that is manufactured out there. Our therapy bar is a bar's other innovation with several new types of features. The therapy bar contains a computerized counter as well as a speaker. The problem statement that we have found that the elderly frequently lack the desire to exercise. As people is getting older, they have less spirit to do an exercise. Next, we have found that the elderly frequently overlook the counts that have been completed. So, we have come out with an idea to create a bar with a digital counter so that it can help them. The objective of our project is that we want to provide an ergonomically and user-friendly bar for exercise. Next one, to develop a bar that can be used to do as many movements as possible. The last one, to develop a bar that keeps track of counting the movement. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Iman Hakim and I will be presenting the literature review and methodology. The main user for the therapy bar are elderly people aged 50 years and above. Those who have difficulties in exercising are also in the top list of users of the therapy bar. This is because our product will benefit the user at that age, especially their health and well-being. Elderly people cannot do heavy exercise to prevent injury, hence, this product is suitable for them to stay fit and healthy at their age. It can be used anywhere and anytime you want. Simple exercise and movement can result to positive impact to the health of elderly people. The movement and exercise are appropriate for regular physical activities including muscle strengthening, balance and flexibility. The bar provides user with support for their body during exercise. The bar also can help the users to reduce their calories and maintain their ideal weight. Besides that, the bar also help to increase their bone density, strengthen the muscles, reduce the risk of joint injuries and ease themselves to take care of their health. In manufacturing the therapy bar, we applied all the information that we get from the material selection subject. We found out that curved bar is suitable for elderly people to use compared to the normal straight bar. This is because the curved bar allows the elderly people to do more simple exercises without limiting their movement. The material of the therapy bar has been through the translation, screening, ranking and documentation process to come out with the most suitable material. For the methodology, the flowchart shows the process for designing the therapy bar. The brainstorming stage, disinfect machine, portable stick to be attached to the broom, voice control, wheelchair, multifunction table and therapy bar are some of the projects that have been figured out. We have decided to select therapy bar as our project. The survey was conducted through online survey. Mr. Rohizan and Puan Azina have been interviewed as the people who used the normal bar before. Both of them aged 52 and 50 years old. For the task analysis, we identify the task and break the goal into subtasks. Then, task diagram of each subtask, validate the analysis and extract design requirement. In the process and material selection procedure, several steps have been conducted in the procedure which are: first, requirement for early materials and process selection; second, manufacturing processes selection; third, process capabilities; fourth, material selection; fifth, primary process material selection; and sixth, systematic selection of materials.
Now, I will continue with the result part. Data collection. We have conducted 2 surveys which were an online survey and an offline survey. From the online survey, we use Google Form to ask respondent opinion. For the offline survey, we have interviewed 2 participants who are 52 years old and 50 years old accordingly. From both surveys, we can identify the customer problem and customer needs. House of quality. We design the function requirement of the product to fulfill the customer requirement from the data of the survey form. We set the importance of needs to each of the customer requirements from 1 until 5. After that, we identify the direction of improvement towards the function requirement. After all the data has been imported to the table, the matrix of the technical requirement versus customer requirement, we'll calculate. Now we move to the detailed drawing. Number 1 is the main body of the therapy bar. The length of the bar with curve is 1000 mm, diameter is 24 mm. The length of the handle is 170 mm and the diameter is 27 mm. Number 3 is the rubber cap of the bar. The length of the cap is 40 mm and the diameter is 22 mm. The next one is DFMA. The table shows the comparison between the original bar and the new bar design after using the theory of DFMA. The number of the parts was decreased from 5 to 3 and the design efficiency of the bar was increased from 31.5% to 59.78%. The last part of process is bill of material (BOM). In this product, we plan to buy one hollow low carbon steel for the body part, 2 rubber handles for the handle of the therapy bar, and 2 rubber caps. The hollow low carbon steel costs 6 ringgit 20 cents, the rubber handle costs 5 ringgit per unit, and the rubber cap costs 62 cents per unit. The total material cost of the therapy bar was estimated as 17 ringgit and 22 cents.
Good day, my name is Ding Shen. I would like to present the discussion part. These parts include the concept design, concept screening, concept scoring, manufacturing process recommendation, product design for environment, and limitations and challenges. First is the concept design. There are 4 concept designs came out from us. The figure shows the design A to concept design D. To generate the concept, a morphological chart is created to divide possible solution fragments for the product into several classes to facilitate comparison. The subfunctions are the body of the bar, handle grip, and the bar and cap. Then followed by the concept screening part. Concept E is set as the datum of reference concept, so it's ranked as 0. Then the others concept will be ranked as plus if it's better than the concept E, 0 if they are same, or minus when the selection criteria of the concept is worse than the concept E. After rating, concept B is the highest ranking and the concept A, C, and D will combine become concept A, C, D. Next is the concept scoring. The scoring is done between concept B and concept A, C, D. After rating the selection criteria of the concepts, concept B is selected as the best concept and is decided to continue develop. This is the concept B that we choose for our product. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Kyokon. Now I'm going to present about the manufacturing process recommendation. There are 3 parts for this therapy bar. Firstly is the shaping process for the body of therapy bar. The material that recommended for the part is low carbon steel, which is suitable for investment casting. After shape the design shape for the therapy bar, which is curved shape, the bar will be polished to obtain smooth surface and at the same time can avoid the sharp part that may cause injury. Handle and bar end cap will be purchased directly from market, and the material recommended is EVA foam and also black rubber, silicone and caps. Next is the product design for environment. The environmental issue is integrated during the product development of therapy bar. First of all, the bar can be reused again and again. Besides, we reduce the number of parts of the therapy bar after comparing with the existing product. The disassembly time is also reduced because the shape of the bar is fixed. Lastly, the main body of the therapy bar is made from low carbon steel, which is recyclable. Recycling method is definitely more economically and environmentally at the same time compared with metal production, since it uses less energy. The last part of discussion is limitation and challenges. First and foremost is to develop a therapy bar with ergonomic shape and suitable weight. Next, develop an interactive exercise equipment. Many challenges are faced by us when develop the product. The product development is conducting during the pandemic, therefore it is difficult for us to visit some related place like physiotherapy center and therapy center of hospital. Besides, we need to apply a suitable counting system for the product. The most important challenge is that our therapy bar can really satisfy the user and finally fulfill the customer requirement. In conclusion, therapy bar is the exercise equipment that can encourage elderly to exercise. Hopefully, more people can realize about the importance of exercise. After conducting the product development, we can also know about the importance of brainstorm in order to create a new and unique design. Besides, the designer must consider the sound of customer. That's all for our group. Thank you.